lesson is for class 2, chapter 5. I've divided into two parts. Okay, part 1. In second part, I will show you on my laptop. Now, the chapter's name is Handling a Mouse. Now, what is a mouse? A mouse is a pointing device. When I say mouse, I'm talking about computer mouse. It's a pointing device. Means you can select an item, means icon on the desktop. Okay, you can open it. So you have to select an item. That's why it's called a pointing device. Nowadays, we have mouse. Generally, we have mouse having two buttons and one scroll wheel. And one scroll wheel. Let me see. I have a mouse here. If you can see, yes, these are the two buttons. Now this is towards the left. So this is called the left button because towards my left side. Okay, I've made one mouse here. So this is towards my left. Towards my left, so it's called left button, and towards my right, it's called the right button. And there's a wheel here. This is called scroll wheel. Now, what's the use of scroll wheel? To move the page up and down. You can scroll it. Okay, you can move it up and down. This is called a scroll wheel. Now, a mouse has 4 actions. You can do 4 actions with a mouse. One is left click. Now, what is left click? When you press the left button, okay, and you know what is left button towards your left side. That is now how you hold the mouse like this. Okay, this index finger here, you put it like this and this. Okay, yes, this is the way, and you put on a mouse pad. I'm holding like this. In second part, I will keep the mouse on the mouse pad. So if you see, it has 4 mouse actions. First is left click. Now, what is left click or left clicking? When you press the left button and release it. Okay, that is called left click. Now, what's the use of left click? Actually, it is used to select an item on the monitor, means on the screen. Suppose this is a screen, this is the desktop. Okay, you have recycle bin, isn't it? And my computer, or you may have any game also, any game. Okay, let's say GTA, like this game, or then you have my network. You can have a folder. So if you want to select this, you just bring the mouse pointer and suppose you want to bring the mouse pointer and just click it. Left button you have to click. So that is to select. Okay. Now suppose I have a folder here. I want to open it. I have a game here. You bring the mouse pointer and press left button. And if you want to open it, you just double click. Do double clicking. What is double clicking? Double clicking means pressing the left button twice quickly and release it. Okay, like this. I'm holding it. Yes. So not to worry, I will show you practically when I will do on the laptop. So this is double clicking, means press the left button twice quickly and release it. Now what is it is used for? It is used to open a program. It's in a program. It can be icon, item. It's up to you. But ultimately they are all programs. So if you want to open recycle bin, just double click. First bring your mouse pointer here and when I say double click, you have to press the left button. Okay. Yes, always left button. When I say, I will not say, okay, double click the right button. So it is that. Now what is right click? Now when I press the right button, this one, once and release it. Okay. Now what will happen? A list will appear. What you can do. A list will appear, pop-up, that is pop-up list that you can say cut, copy, paste, rename. So all the options you'll get. How you get? By pressing the right button of the mouse. And I've already told you when we had Zoom classes, I have explained each and everything. So now again, what is left click? When I press the left button and release it. What's the use of that? It is used to select an item on the monitor. Double click, press the left button twice quickly and release it. It is used to open a program. Now what is right click? Press and release you have to press the right button and it shows list of things one can do, what we can do. Okay. And now what is fourth is drag and drop. Now what is drag and drop? Now suppose I want to bring this folder to this side. Okay. To this corner of the screen. So what you do first, you bring the mouse pointer, you know how to by moving the mouse, and press the left button. Okay, press the left button and keep pressing it, and you can drag the mouse. Okay, and then what will happen with the help of that? You can, suppose you want to take it here, you drag it, and then release the button. So what will happen? This folder will come here. So this is called drag and drop. Okay, boys. So yes, so we can do 4 actions with the mouse. First is left click, you know it very well. Double click. I've told you you have to, but remember you have to press the left button of the mouse. And when I say click, it's understood that it's left button. Then right click, then it's to see the list of commands that you can do. Drag and drop, just to drag, and you can place it anywhere on the screen. That is called. If you can copy it also somewhere else. Suppose there's one file. Suppose there's a file here. There's a file here and there's a folder here. So I can copy this here inside this folder. How? Just drag and bring it here. Okay. So you can copy it also. So this is, you can drag it and put it here inside this folder. So this is drag and drop. Okay, boys. So in the second part, I will show you on my laptop. So remember, mouse has 2 buttons, left button and right button, and a scroll wheel. Scroll is to move a page up and down. Suppose you have document of 10 pages, you want to move. There's a scroll bar here. So by moving, and you can move this scroll. Okay, you can move the page up and down. Suppose there are 10 pages, you can move up and down. Okay, boys. Okay. Now practical I will do in the second